Hello class, welcome back to your online class. I hope you enjoyed your holidays. So now let's get back to our studies, okay? So today I will be starting Unit 5, Human Anatomy and Physiology. Under that unit, today we will be discussing in brief about Chapter 10, that is Nutrition, okay? This particular chapter is not something new to you. Okay, so first let us understand what is nutrition. Okay, nutrition means it's a process by which the supply of the nutrients to all over the body takes place. Okay, we take in the food is broken down into the simpler components which is absorbable by the cells. Okay, so and the supply of those simpler components to all over the body is referred to as your nutrition. Okay. Next is your food. Now food, it consists of different chemical components called nutrients. Okay. Now what are the different nutrients that can be present in a food? Those are your carbohydrates, then you have fats, then you have protein, then you have vitamin and minerals. These are the 5 major nutrients that is present in the food. Now depending upon the nutrients that is present in the food can also be divided into a various types. We all know that, right? So your carbohydrate, the food which contains more amount of carbohydrate and fats are referred to as energy giving food. Energy giving food, okay, because consumption of these food items like rice, wheat, okay, ghee, all this provides energy to our body. That's why it is also referred to as energy giving food. Then you have protein. Protein is referred to as body building food because it helps in repair of worn out tissues, cells, helps in growth of a body. That's why it is referred to as a protein building food. What are the food that contains more amount of protein? Those are your fish, eggs, meat, all these are protein body building food. Then you have vitamins and minerals. These are referred to as a protective food. Protective food. Why is it referred to as a protective food which contains a more amount of vitamins and minerals? Why is it referred to as a protective food? Because it provides immunity to our body. Okay, so food items such as green leafy vegetable, different kind of fruits, okay, it consists of vitamins and minerals. That's why those food items are referred to as protective food. Okay, so your food, it consists of different nutrients. Okay, these are the 5 major nutrients which is generally present in a food items. So next one is your diet. What is diet? Diet means combination of a different food items. Like I told you, different food have a different nutrient content. So the proper combination of these food items is referred to as a diet. Okay, we all should have a balanced diet. What do you mean by balanced diet? Balanced diet means your food should contain proper amount of your carbohydrate, vitamins, minerals, proteins, okay, all these nutrients should be present in a food, okay, in a proper amount. Now your balanced diet, the composition of a balanced diet, it varies from person in regard to the age, okay, like children, they need more amount of protein building food because they are in a growth stage, okay, it also depends upon the sex of a individual, like female, since they undergo menstruation every month, okay, so they need more iron containing food. If they do not take more iron containing food, they might suffer from disease like anemia. Okay, now it depends upon the lifestyle of a person also. If you are a farmer, you should have a food which contains more amount of carbohydrate because they need more energy in order to do more amount of work, right? So if you are a farmer, it depends upon the lifestyle also, okay, your composition of a balanced diet. Okay, Okay, if you are, it also depends upon the special need of a person. Like if you see a sick person, they are given more amount of vegetable, green leafy vegetable, fruits. Okay, when you visit a sick person, do you go take a rice with you? No, you take fruits for them, so that their immune system is boosted up, right? So it depends upon the special needs of a person also. Like pregnant women, they have a different category of food which has to be provided for their health in order to remain fit. Okay, so that's all about your balanced diet. Okay, it varies from person to person. Okay, the composition of a balanced diet varies from person to person. So I hope you understood this three terminology. We all know why do we need nutrition, right? Why do we need nutrition? Let's hear nutrients, or let's hear refer to as a food. Why do we need food? Okay, for growth. If you are a baby, you need food for the growth. If there is a cutout in your body, if your tissues are worn out, those needs to be repaired. Okay, so you should have more amount of protein building foods. Okay, if you want to do some work, you need carbohydrate rich food. Okay, because only this carbohydrate rich food provides energy to your body. Then for preparation of different kind of enzymes, hormones, also you need different kind of nutrients, okay, which are very much essential. Okay, so we understood the need of a nutrition. Why do we need nutrition in brief? In our next class, we will be taking up with the different 5 major nutrients in detail. Okay, carbohydrates. What are the different types of carbohydrates? Carbohydrates generally are sugars, right? So sugars are also for different types, like single sugar, monosaccharide. If 2 sugars are present, disaccharide, oligosaccharides. We will be discussing about all those things in detail in our next class. For today's class, you just go through the definition of nutrients. How can you differentiate between nutrition, food and diet? Okay, why the balanced diet varies from person to person, what is the need of nutrition in our body? You just go through this few topics. Okay, in our next class we will be taking up with the nutrients in detail. What will happen if we do not take this proper nutrients in a proper amount? What will happen if you do not take the balanced diet in a proper amount? We will be discussing about even the diseases related with the deficiency of these nutrients. Okay, thank you.